Imagine a machine that defies expectations, a blend of raw power and visionary design that challenges everything you thought you knew about sports cars. Today, we embark on an unforgettable journey to explore the all-new 2025 BMW M9, a car that isn't just built for speed, but crafted to ignite your passion and fuel your dreams. Prepare to be captivated as we dive into every thrilling detail, unveiling secrets that will leave you on the edge of your seat. From the very first glance, the 2025 BMW M9 demands attention. Its bold, sculpted lines and aggressive stance evoke a sense of urgency, hinting at the extraordinary performance hidden beneath its striking exterior. Every curve, every detail is meticulously engineered to create a harmonious blend of aesthetics and aerodynamics, ensuring that the car not only looks spectacular but performs at an elite level. The design is an artful balance between beauty and brutality, a visual promise of the power that lies within. Beneath the hood, a masterpiece of modern engineering awaits. The M9 boasts a turbocharged V8 engine that unleashes a symphony of power with every press of the pedal. This isn't just about speed, it's about precision and control. Advanced electronic systems and a finely tuned suspension work in unison to deliver an acceleration that feels almost otherworldly, making every drive an adrenaline-fueled adventure. Whether you're carving through tight corners or launching down the open highway, the M9 responds with the finesse of a well-rehearsed performance, leaving you breathless and craving more. Step inside, and you're immediately enveloped in an environment where luxury meets innovation. The cockpit of the 2025 BMW M9 is a sanctuary of cutting-edge technology and refined materials. Digital displays seamlessly integrate with intuitive controls, offering real-time performance data and a connection to the digital world that enhances every moment behind the wheel. Premium leather, exquisite stitching, and a design that anticipates your every need transform the driving experience into a personal celebration of sophistication and speed. But the magic of the M9 isn't confined to its physical prowess. It's an experience that continuously evolves, with hidden features and innovative technologies that keep you guessing and engaged. Imagine intelligent voice controls that adjust your settings on the fly, an infotainment system so responsive it feels almost alive, and safety features designed to protect without compromising the thrill of the drive. This is a car that adapts to your style, a true extension of your personality, built for those who dare to push the limits. As we peel back the layers of the 2025 BMW M9, every detail reveals a story of passion, precision, and relentless innovation. With insider insights sourced directly from the official BMW press release and industry insights, we know that each component of this vehicle is a testament to a legacy of excellence and a vision for the future of automotive performance. It's a narrative where every innovation is a chapter, every design tweak a paragraph, and every test drive an epic tale of discovery. Stay with us until the end of this journey, where we promise even more surprises and deep dives into features that have been carefully engineered to thrill. If you're a car enthusiast or simply a lover of groundbreaking technology, this exploration of the 2025 BMW M9 is your ticket to understanding a revolution on wheels. Your engagement fuels our passion for uncovering the secrets behind these extraordinary machines, making every moment spent here a shared celebration of automotive artistry. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 BMW M9, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow enthusiasts. Our adventure today has only just begun, and we have many more stories to tell. Source: official BMW press release and industry insights. Get ready to embrace the future of driving and let the journey transform the way you see the road ahead.